Where's all the tinfoil gone?
Last year when I came, all these mannequins, they all had tinfoils on their neck.
All the
and I said, why? He was like, it looks nice, it looks nice.
So we've got two, James, if you can zoom in. We've got two just up here.
Yeah.
But the rest of them, no tinfoil anymore. Not £2. He's gone.
Tax go up. Tax go up. No.
Right, so on the Hisaronu main strip, one of the cheaper places to go to if you're looking for clothes is a place called TK Maxx Turkey. Not TK Maxx that we know. Let me show you where it is. Right next to Cheers restaurant, opposite Turkish Foot Asylum, next door to Chinese Rose, and this is TK Maxx. TK Maxx clothing. Now let me show you inside. Let me show you how much things are. And then when you're in Hisaronu or Udinese, you can come and visit them. And hopefully you get the same deals. This seems to be popular at the minute. It seems to be everywhere. I know our Isla's asked for one. Nice and cool in the shop. Fans dotted all over. There's even a TV on the wall too.
Eddie. Teddy.
Teddy.
Teddy. Nice to meet you.
Not Eddie, Teddy.
My name is Murat.
Right, Murad, let's get some prices, mate.
Yes.
Yeah,
no problem. Don't worry.
You have to stick to these prices.
Yeah, of course.
So when you come in,
Yeah.
last year he said prices online. When people come, they say, guys, I seen Craig's video, I seen the price online.
Of
so
course.
let's take a look. But on the whole of Hisaronu, where do I get my t-shirts from? I come here.
TK Maxx.
Yeah, I come to TK Maxx. Yesterday I was in, I got a Nike t-shirt over there.
Definitely.
Perfect sizing for me, 3XL.
All size you
Get
can
them,
size.
get them big with these kebabs
Turkish
now.
kebab.
Turkish kebab.
Yeah.
Let's take a look, see some prices. Big selection of football tops as well. And some vests too. So, on this side, shorts, how much?
Any swim short, £5. Any swim
£5?
short. Yeah, just £5. Any swim short. This is the for front stitch, no printed, and including zip is available. Just for this is normal short.
Oh wait, for a fiver, you can't fall
No,
off,
this
can
is
you?
Just this is £10. This is £5 swimming short.
Not £2? He's gone.
Tax go up. Tax go up. No.
Right, let's keep looking around TK Maxx.
Baby set available.
Baby sets?
Yes.
So how much are these ones?
Box £10.
£10 a box.
Yeah, £10 box. This is including shoes available for that kind, and backside for the
It
newborn.
tells you everything you've got in there. Newborn, 0 to 6 months.
Yes, shoes available.
Yeah, everyone's asking for this
Yeah,
year.
everybody said white. Fox,
Never heard
white
of it.
Fox.
Never heard of that make before this year. And now it
Everything.
seems to be everywhere in
But
Turkey.
this for girls very like
Before I leave,
Yeah.
I'm going to get some for my daughter. Not today, but on Friday.
when you
I'll come and do
when
my
you
final
leave-
shop.
Yeah,
And how much are these?
this is secured one for the including short available inside. This secure short.
Ah, shorts,
yeah.
then skirts, and then
Yes.
the top. How much?
£15 full set.
Right, let's keep looking around the shop. It's got pretty much everything that you need when you do your clothes shopping. Now these are the cheaper options in the area, so you're not going to have any complaints. You're not going to have much room to haggle, even though we just got a fiver off that. But when people are charging the lower prices, what you find is they're usually a little bit less quality, but you will fill your suitcase with them. Oh, this one's very popular at the minute. Where's Murat gone?
T-shirt. T-shirt, some t-shirt £10, some t-shirt £15.
So how much is this one?
This is £10.
£10 one.
Yes.
So I was a 3XL. How much?
3XL, 2XL, 1X.
What's the price if you buy, I don't know, two
If you
of
buy-
these, three?
Each £10. 3 for £25.
3 for 25.
Yes, 3 for 25.
Another fiver off. Get in there.
Why not?
All football tops.
All football type
Jamaica.
fixed price. Yes.
Wrexham. What prices on the football tops?
Football type fixed price £10.
All £10.
Yeah, all £10. Not for the 15, 20, £10 fixed price.
Where's all the tinfoil gone? So last year when I came, all these mannequins, they all had tinfoils on their neck.
All the
and I said,
bin.
why? He was like, it looks nice, it looks nice. So we've got two, James, if you can zoom in. We've got two just up here.
Yeah.
But the rest of them, no tinfoil anymore. So yeah, come and visit them, TK Maxx. In Hisaronu, on the main Hisaronu strip, just below Chinese Rose. And come and say hello to Murat.
I am Murat.
So I'm just leaving TK Maxx now. And I've only gone and pulled me back out. I was only sat there drinking tea, drinking chai, and I just moved slightly and got a sharp pain in my lower back, which then shot down both my ass cheeks, and now I'm walking like I've shit myself. Oh. But anyway, Murat goes and gets me, let's have a look at that, Rochelle, goes and gets me a little massager. Look at that. Like, how thoughtful is that? He goes and gets me that, and Rochelle's sat there massaging the middle of my spine, but I'm still walking like I've shit myself. My back's in bits. Oh, Ted, no, off my leg, Ted. Oh, Ted's trying to pull on my leg and play. You were touching my leg, I seen you. And I can't. I'm like an invalid. Of course you can, mate. Thank you very much, pal. Maybe tomorrow. Thank you. I said maybe tomorrow. Ted's going, no. Like most tourist resorts, it's got everything you need. But then you do find the shops that can be a little bit different as well to other places. Bella Rosso. And then we're just heading towards the top of the Hisaronu strip. Talk of the town over there, drag show. And then Red Pub and Grill on the end. Oh, merhaba. I think I'm gonna have to go and either go back to the hotel and relax, sort me back out. Hello mate, alright. Go back to the hotel, sort me back out, or go to a bar and have a beer. Put in the comments, what should I do next? Guys just shout me there.
How could you miss me with her with
Where were you?
In retreat.
Ah, I didn't see you, mate.
Yeah, in retreat.
Are you doing alright?
Yeah, good.
Ah,
Vlogging a vlogger, innit?
look at this. Beautiful view on the Hisaronu strip. Sat with Gas Guy. If you're not following him already on YouTube, give him a follow on YouTube.
Come on!
And you'll probably see stickers all over Hisaronu and all over my house when Teddy gets a load of them. And see that sticker on the back there.
Hey. Ted's new stickers.
Listen, check him out. Gas Guy's always in Hisaronu, Uludenese. Give him a follow on YouTube. And make sure that you've shared this video. Sun's shining, the FEs are flowing. And then we go and ask the guy here, Ali, how much is a Jaeger? And he tells me like 210, was it? 210. 210.
210.
110.
210.
So me and Gas Guy just gonna have a couple of Jaeger bombs.
We're vlogging the vlogging and vlogging the Jaegers.
Sheriff.
Here we go.
Chin chin, everyone.
If you're gonna do it, do it.
Ah, beautiful.
Ted.
That's not real Jaeger.
Gas guy.
Turkish Jaeger.
Gas guy.
UK Jaeger.
Everywhere.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Cheers.
Ted, you're my.
And it feels so good.